nandito kami ngayon. Nandito ako sa Immaculate Conception Academy. Magpe-perform po ako ng 3 songs para po sa social action, student, staff. Ayun. Ayan. Kasi in-invite nila ako para kantahan yung mga kids. Ito. Ang details. From the kids of Barangay Tuberias. Barangay Tuberias. Saan ang Barangay Tuberias?
In San Juan.
San Juan. Ayun. So, yun po. Tara na.
Boto niyo po ako! Hi! Good morning! Good morning! Kumusta kayo? Hello, kids! Hello! Malapit na ang Pasko. Alam niyo, sesero ko na nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon na makita kayo at makasama kayo ngayong araw na ito. Kasi dito ako kumanta. Kilala niyo ba ako? Mga kids, sino ako? Sana mo? Sino? Sarah? Geronimo? Ha? Geronimo?
I'm gonna flip the skin around, shake it up, break it down. Work it, make it, shake it, baby, get it ready, bring it to the dance floor. Boy, I'll give you one more. Work it, make it, shake it, baby, get it ready, bring it to the dance floor. Boy, I'll give you one more. Let me know that you think you know this good. If you don't know, you're the biggest show you more. I'll make you sound like you never heard before. Moving along now, I know you wanna do some more. I'm gonna flip this game around, shake it, break it down. I'm gonna flip this game around, shake it down.
So yung charity fair po kasi, annually siya nagaganap. So, for the past 4 years, 3 years I've been in SASS. Parati na po siyang every December, nagkakaroon po ng charity fair. But it's only now that we've had a celebrity, and thanks to Pian's mom that we got Sarah Geronimo for the charity fair this year.
Alam mo, Galing naman. Ha? Sino yun? Maliit? Ayet. Ayet. Do you love to sing? Singer ng Ika? Kasi lagi may ganun kasi sa school natin. Ilan ba kami na kumakanta? Marami-rami din. Pero lagi kami kumakanta sa mga opportunity sa school. Ano yung mga songs na ay, ito din! Ito din ba? Okay. Ano yung mga kinakanta ng songs? Anong favorite mo kinakanta? Mga nakanta mo na dito sa school? Wow! Kelly Clarkson? Wow! Better pala ito si Oh, fine po! Pwede mo humingi ng sample? I'll spend my weeks and I'll learn how to fly. I'll do what it takes till I touch the sky. Make a wish, take a chance, make a change and break away. Listen into the sun, and I won't forget all the ones that
Syempre, goosebumps yun. Yung inspirasyon na nabibigay mo sa mga bata. Well, hopefully, nakakapagbigay ako ng inspirasyon kahit sa pagkanta lang. Especially kanina nung kinanta ko yung Give Love on Christmas Day.
Why don't you get